Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are the cards for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards. We have Two of Fire, Ace of Air, and Chariot. So Sagittarius, in your situation, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are moving towards some kind of a collaboration or partnership. It may be a business collaboration, something that giving you more opportunities for success, prosperity in your life, and you are making a great progress in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. You have a beautiful understanding with this person. You are deepening this relationship, moving towards a meaningful relationship with this person, and you are seeing things more clearly. You have clarity in your mind. You know what is the right thing for you and what will work in the right way for you in your situation. But there may be some circumstances, something coming out of the blue. Maybe even in your work, you are making some positive strides in your work situation, but you may see some struggles, obstacles in your way, and the reason may be destiny, guys. Something that is supposed to be intended to be there. So these obstacles are just going to propel you much quicker into the transformation or change that needs to be there in you for that positive outcome in your future. So some kind of destiny working in your life today, and that is essential for your growth, for your prosperity and success in your situation, guys. And you are feeling fearless, confident. So maybe some troubles in your relationship or in your work, whatever it is, you have that strength and confidence in your heart, because you know that in your heart of hearts that this person will never leave you and you love them and they understand your love. That may be the reason for you to feel confident even when you are having some kind of an argument, fight, or troubles in your relationship, guys. So powerful karma is working in your situation today, guys, but you need not worry. These changes are necessary to bring the positive things in your life today, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Three of Earth. So with this card, you are both working, trying your best. You both have a mutual understanding and love in this relationship, and that may be the reason you are able to hold on to this person, withstand all that troubles that you are facing today in this relationship, guys. And you are going to come out of this difficult situation with that mutual love, trust, and respect you have on each other, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is King of Earth. So with this card, it just means that you are really skilled and talented. So no matter what difficulties you see, you are going to change that into a positive thing, guys. And whatever desires you have, you are going to manifest all that through your efforts and skills. So that is the reading for you all, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative. You want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do, and maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.